So congratulations, you're now under contract on that house that you've been searching high and low for. That is a satisfying feeling, right? So what is next for you? To explain a couple steps after we go under contract, we have what we call earnest money. It's a good faith money, basically stating that you're serious about the contract. So that money will more typically goes to the list agents. In some areas it'll go to title companies, or if the buyer's agent specifies, it can also go to their brokerage. And you will pay this in form of a check, depending on who the brokerage is. You can either send a check or do this through an app, and you get a link or whatever. So you're going to have the earnest money. Second, you will be given some information, unless you have somebody already in mind. You will have your whole house inspection. This is different from an appraisal. This is for your information only, and basically they're gonna pick through this house like with a fine-tooth comb, and try to find anything that's a major defect. Anything that's going to be a deal killer for you is what you're gonna, what you're looking for. So they're going to come back with a pretty large report. So don't be alarmed. Sometimes 30 to 40 pages. A lot of it's just verbiage and then explanations of what they found. But your realtor will definitely help you, or they should help you kind of decipher what are the main issues with the home, and kind of go from there. If there's not any deal killers, which happens, it does happen, then you can move forward. If there are things that you would like to have repaired, you then renegotiate those repairs. So that again is different from the appraisal. That is for your information only. The bank doesn't get it, no one else gets it. So once that's complete, in the meantime, while all of this is going down, the back side of it, the lender is now getting paperwork to you to sign your mortgage paperwork, and they are ordering the appraisal, which is actually the inspection for the bank. So that appraiser knows, based on whatever type of loan you're getting, they are aware of what to look for to make sure that those things are good with the house and that it will pass that inspection. They too could call out, needed repairs if something's missed. If it was something that you were good with, but the appraiser's like, nope, not gonna pass, then those become lender required repairs, that there's no negotiating on. In order for you to obtain that loan, the seller now has to do those repairs. So, and then once the appraisal's done, you can breathe a sigh of relief, because now you're out of your contingency period. You're out of the inspection period. You're out of the appraisal period. So we have no more contingencies on the contract. And now we wait for title to get completed and for you to get all of your paperwork to the lender. So with that being said, paperwork to the lender is all on you. We can do so much as realtors and appraisers and lenders, but the quicker you get your paperwork to your lender, the quicker you will get to closing. We've had them close, within 2 weeks, because title can get done really quick. The appraiser wasn't backed up, but now sometimes we have to wait on the buyer to get all their paperwork together. So it's very adamant that you get that paperwork done and to them as soon as possible. Even as soon as you get your pre-approval letter, you can start sending them documents right away, because then when you find your house, it's going to make it that much quicker on the back end, getting it closed. So hopefully this has helped you. If you find it helpful, I would appreciate it if you kind of liked it, shared it, rang the bell to get to subscribe to my channel, and follow for more content. We'll talk to you soon.